Hello again. So, as promised, I have another unboxing today, and this one is for the Jurassic Park Ultimate Blu-ray Edition box set, all three films, and I love all these films, every single one of them. The first one, although of course a little bit slow going because it had to go into the science and everything of the whole storyline, is still my favourite one, but 2 and 3 are both really good as well. So there we go. This is the outer sleeve, the side of the box, the back of the box with all the info, top, and nothing really on the bottom. Okay, so let's get the cases out. Okay, so we have Jurassic Park. Of course, from 2015 there will be a fourth Jurassic Park film called Jurassic World that I'm sure all fans of the series are looking forward to. There's the back of the case. Jurassic Park The Lost World. And all the info on the back. And Jurassic Park 3. Again, all the info on the back. Gotta say, I like the artwork on these cases. Very nice. Okay, each one in detail now. So, Jurassic Park. And the extras on this include Return to Jurassic Park, Dawn of a New Era, Return to Jurassic Park, Making Prehistory, Return to Jurassic Park, The Next Step in Evolution, and Return to Jurassic Park, The Making the Game. Plus over 1.5 hours of additional archival featurettes and behind the scenes footage. Comes with ultraviolet codes for each film, so again you can watch it on your smartphones, laptops, anything, by putting the code in. And there we go, there's a disc, nice big letters, you can't mistake what film that is. And a piece of paper with the codes to all three films on the back of it. Okay, so it's Jurassic Park 1, or just Jurassic Park of course. Jurassic Park The Lost World. Again, very good film. As I say, all three of them were good. And the bonus content on this disc is Return to Jurassic Park, Finding the Lost World, Something Survived, Behind the Scenes, plus over 1.5 hours again of deleted scenes, archival featurettes, and behind the scenes footage. I'm hoping these look really good on Blu-ray. I'm sure they will. Jurassic Park 3. Bonus contents. Return to Jurassic Park, The Third Adventure, plus over 1.5 hours of featurettes and behind the scenes footage, including the making of Jurassic Park 3 and the special effects of Jurassic Park 3. And there's the back of that case. Now I bought this again in HMV. There seems to be, I'm not promoting HMV here, but they seem to be doing some quite cheap deals at the moment. Very good deals on Blu-ray discs, and this box set cost me £11.99, which isn't bad, as they're doing each individual film on Blu-ray for £9 each, which of course £27, so £11.99 is a very good price, and it's a good box set. Seems to be some really good features on this, so I'm looking forward to watching these on Blu-ray. Again, seen each film several times already, but I'm sure it's going to look much better on Blu-ray. Well, hopefully there'll be a bit of an improvement. but great films. Looks like a good box set, and well worth the money that I paid. So, Jurassic Park Ultimate Blu-ray Trilogy. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you for my next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Okay, thanks, bye.